When you hear the word Swiss Army knife, chances are you think of the legendary officer's knife. And that legend continues with the handyman pocket knife. If you're handy, then you know that the call to come fix something can come at any time. So whether you're hard at work or hard at play, always keep the handyman with you. Its 24 functions are always ready, so you will be too. Buy this one over the Swiss Champ if you don't need gimmicks such as magnifying glasses, fish hinges and so on. It also fits better in the hand than the Swiss Champ. The following tools are included in this knife: large blade, small blade, can opener, screwdriver 3mm, bottle opener, wire stripper, screwdriver 6mm, reamer, punch and sewing awl, corkscrew, scissors, pliers, wire cutter, wire crimping tool, wood saw, nail file, nail cleaner, metal saw, metal file, screwdriver 2.5mm, chisel 4mm, multi-purpose hook, toothpick, tweezers, and a key ring. You can order this knife on Amazon. I will put the link in the description.